My throat. But it's just so hard to reach. I am just going to take it down with me to the cat level right there. Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Alright, Sky, so hopefully you're not gonna make mess this time. Here's your healthy supper nightcap.
Hey, you don't see something is missing?
No, I don't see anything. Oh, no, what are you doing?
There you go, the salad for those who wanted. Melons and yogurt at the cap level.
Alright, Sky, let's try it again. Come on, don't make a mess. You want yogurt?
Don't you see what you're doing wrong?
No, I don't. What is it?
Oh, come on. There you go. The chair needed to be closed.
There you go.
Good.
Can you look at me, please?
No.
No, please look at me.
No.
No, seriously, show me your face.
Why?
Like what? What do you want? Show me your face, please.
Yeah, here I am, pretty boy, eh? If you like it, please subscribe.